All right, here I am. I'm pulling the man's truck out.
Dude, who pulled the man's truck out earlier?
You didn't pull nothing out.
You pulled you a snake. Look at it. It's sexy, isn't it?
Hey, put your light in your tires. Let me see show how deep you're in. God damn, dude, you're in there. Hey, look right there, look. Right there, son. Right there. Here, son. Keep videoing this shit. I'm pulling the man truck out. Video it. It's on video. It's recording.
Hey, you gonna reverse fast?
I'm gonna back up. No, I can't. Because I'll fucking break one of my engine mounts. Show your truck, son.
Oh. God damn. My dad's other truck could get it. Oh fuck. Oh. God.
Got you out, told you, man.
Scared me there for a minute. I'm gonna wait for Paul to drive all the way to Bishop now. If he's out here.
Stop it.
Thumb up my ass. I'm going reverse.